Did you know a modern factory can produce thousands of products every single minute?
These factories use advanced technology to achieve unbelievable speed and accuracy.
Every movement is carefully programmed for maximum efficiency.
Welcome inside a state-of-the-art factory powering today's global economy.
These factories operate with precision that humans alone could never achieve.
Traditional factories struggle with speed, waste, and inefficiency.
Modern production begins with perfectly timed material flow. Environmental impact is one of the biggest challenges factories must solve.
Automation dramatically increases speed while reducing human error.
Robotics handle complex tasks with unmatched precision.
Artificial intelligence constantly monitors and optimizes production.
Smart sensors detect problems before they cause delays. This moment represents the peak of manufacturing innovation. Every product is tested to meet strict global standards. Sustainability is now built directly into modern factories.
Recycling systems reduce waste and protect natural resources.
Technology and sustainability now work together in manufacturing. Finished products are shipped worldwide within hours.
These factories never stop, day or night. These factories never stop, day or night.
What impressed you most about modern factory technology?
Comment below and suggest which factory you want to see next.